Dairy products such as ice cream and yogurt have relied on natural vanilla for many years, Bright points out. In the US, Food and Drug Administration rules state that vanilla ice cream must get its flavor from natural vanilla. If the flavor comes partially or fully from another source, the company must stamp vanilla-flavored or artificial vanilla on the front of the package, a likely turn-off to consumers.
Printing is advancing rapidly, and the range of materials that can be used has expanded considerably. While the technology was previously limited to fast-curing plastics, it has now been made suitable for slow-curing plastics as well. These have decisive advantages as they have enhanced elastic properties and are more durable and robust.
The largest terrestrial carbon sink on Earth is the planet soil. One of the big fears is that a warming planet will liberate significant portions of the soil's carbon, turning it into carbon dioxide, CO2, gas, and so further accelerate the pace of planetary warming.
As the world strives to cut greenhouse gas emissions and find sustainable transportation solutions, University of Houston energy researchers suggest that hydrogen fuel can potentially be a cost-competitive and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional liquid fuels, and that supplying hydrogen for transportation in the greater Houston area can be profitable today. In the creative condition, the students were told to think of a friend who did something special and think of them as their creative friend who could help them solve any problem. This type of creativity training is called perspective shifting, in which the kids look at a problem through the eyes of someone else.
Pancreatic cancer is tricky to manage because it spreads easily and early, and the tumors have a unique biological makeup. But researchers made a breakthrough by learning about the genetic changes that occur during tumor migration, and also found a drug that can obstruct the process. When an earthquake strikes, smaller quakes known as aftershocks can continue to shake the area for days to years after the original earthquake occurred. These smaller quakes decrease over time and are part of the fault readjustment process following the original quake. While aftershocks are smaller in magnitude than the main shock, they can still damage infrastructure and impede recovery from the original earthquake.
Most birds can bend their wings at the wrist, pulling arched wings close to their bodies to navigate their way through dense vegetation like branches. But hummingbird wings aren't as flexible. Because the wings stick straight out of the hummingbird's body, getting through tight spaces requires some tricky maneuvering.
Individuals that tended to engage in cooperative behavior within their group were more likely to interact with bonobos in the other group that had the same tendency. This cooperation doesn't appear to be solely motivated by immediate reciprocation, the researchers say. For instance, during the study, only 14% of bonobos that shared food with a partner in the other group had the deed reciprocated.
Normally, heat is what gets evaporation going, causing water molecules in the liquid to jostle more vigorously. That extra energy can break some of the bonds between molecules in the liquid, allowing molecules to escape as water vapor. Based on how much heat goes in, scientists can calculate the amount of evaporation expected.
Recent trends in raw food diets overlook the fact that some vegetables are more nutritious when cooked. Cooking methods like steaming or roasting can enhance the availability of essential nutrients in vegetables such as asparagus, mushrooms, and spinach. This process releases important vitamins and antioxidants, which are sometimes trapped within the vegetable cell walls.
Japanese researchers at Nagoya University have uncovered new aspects of the interaction between mast-seeding plants like bamboo and field mice. Their study reveals that mice behavior, influenced by species, environment, and season, plays a crucial role in seed dispersal and forest ecosystem health, challenging existing theories about seed storage and consumption.
A study from UCL and the University of Sydney shows that substituting just a few minutes of daily sitting with moderate exercise can greatly benefit heart health. It also showed the benefit of light activity, standing, and sleeping compared with sitting. This finding, part of research involving more than 15,000 individuals, underscores the significant health impact of even small changes in daily physical activity. A recent study demonstrates that strawberries, consumed daily for 12 weeks, can improve memory and reduce depressive symptoms in middle-aged, overweight adults. This improvement is attributed to the anti-inflammatory effect of anthocyanins in strawberries, highlighting the fruit's role in cognitive health.
Increasing levels of obesity, poor diet, and increased sedentary behavior are driving a rapid rise in the number of cases of type 2 diabetes worldwide. In 2021, 537 million adults were estimated to have diabetes worldwide, with an increasing number diagnosed at younger ages.
When it comes to engineering human skin, hair may at first seem superfluous. However, hair follicles are quite important. They produce sweat, helping regulate body temperature, and they contain stem cells that help skin heal. Hair follicles are also an entry point for topical drugs and cosmetics, making them an important part of dermatological testing.
In mice, there is some evidence that an unusual phenomenon in mammals called genomic imprinting impacts parenting behavior. Mammals inherit 2 copies of each gene, one from each parent, and usually, each copy is expressed equally in the cell. With imprinted genes, however, only one copy is expressed, either the one inherited from the father or the mother.
Some 160,000 people have some form of dementia in Sweden, Alzheimer's disease being the most common, a figure that is rising with our life expectancy. At the same time, many new diagnostic methods and early intervention therapies have been developed in recent years, which foregrounds the need to identify more risk factors for the disease.